taken to this sign up page. Okay, so on this sign up page, you are going to be required. It's called Create a CashChat Bank Account. Now, when you click on Create a CashChat Bank Account, you are going to be taken to this sign up page. Okay, so on this sign up page, you are going to be required to enter this information. Now, here is where I want you to pay close attention. Okay, so this is where I want you to pay close attention. Now, first, you're going to enter your first name exactly as it appears on your ID, and then you're going to enter your last name again exactly as it appears on your ID, because you're creating an account that's going to be receiving your payments. So the next one is going to be your email. Here you must write your email and your email alone. Don't write a username, and the reason is it's in this email that they will be sending you a wallet pin every time you try to move any money from your account. And also, it's on this email that whenever you forget your password, they will send you a reset link. So write your email properly. Excuse me. Now, the next part is the country. You see all these countries that are listed here. CashChat, this program is available in these countries. All of them. CashChat wants client in all of these countries as you see them. So scroll out and find your country first. Okay? Look out for your country from this list of countries. Whatever your countries may be. Maybe it could be, let me see, Uganda. So you select Uganda and you put it there. And then next is your phone number. Now, you must enter your phone number starting with your country code. And the reason is there are many phone numbers with exactly the same digits as your number if you start with 07. So start with a country code. For example, I've selected Uganda, but I can write a number from the United States or Sweden or the Saudi Arabia. I can enter or Nigeria. Okay, but then whatever number I decide to enter here, it must start with the country code of that country. Let me say I have decided to enter a number from Uganda. I have to start with 256, and then I enter 7 straight away, or 77, then maybe 2, and then I finish the entire number. Okay, no space has been imparted. Now, the next step here, it is where they tell you to enter a sponsor code. Now, in this instance, there's a sponsor code available because I use someone's affiliate link. When you get your own affiliate link, you will not need to provide anybody with a sponsor code verbally. Okay? The sponsor code will be embedded in that link if you try to use your own link. Now, if there's no sponsor code here, ask any person that is maybe sharing this video with you to give you their sponsor code. If there's no sponsor code here, and then you enter it. But this sponsor code you see here is also valid. 23530191. It's a valid sponsor code. Now, next you're going to enter a password here. So find 7 numbers and create a password from those numbers and enter that password here. Repeat the same password here at the bottom, and then here accept terms and conditions, and then proceed to sign up. Now, you have created a CashChat bank account. The next step is to log into your account. So you are going to click login here, okay, at the bottom, you see. So when you click login here, of course, me I've logged in because I was already logged in. You are going to enter your account, and this is how your account is going to look like. And yours is going to have the word not active. Mine is already active. So for you to activate your account, you are going to click on this wallet. Okay, so you click on that wallet. Here, you type the word start. So I type the word start and I click send. And then here I have 2 options. Number 1, my wallet. Number 2, stock investment. So I type 1, my wallet. I click send. Now they bring me here the main menu. Now on this menu, you are supposed to select part 2, which is pay subscription. So you type 2, you click send. Now here, they ask you to select a currency. If you registered your account in Kenya, you select 2. If it's in Uganda, you select 1. So I'm going to select 1 because mine is from Uganda. So I click here, I click send. Now here, they tell me to enter a payment method. So number 1, I select mobile because I'm going to activate my account using MTN. So I click send. Now here they ask me to enter my MTN mobile money number. If you're in Kenya, they will ask you to enter your M-Pesa mobile number. So here I'm going to enter my MTN starting with 256. So I click here and I type 256, maybe 772 or whatever 00 or any number, whatever my number is. So I just enter my number and I click send. Now when I click send, they are going to ask me to enter my PIN code in my MTN, and then 75,000 Ugandan shillings will be deducted from my MTN to activate this account. So your MTN number must have that amount. And even if you don't have an MTN number, you can use a friend's MTN number, and that's the number you write here. You ask your friend to give you their number, you write it here, you put that activation fee on their number, 75 UGX. And then when you type this number and you click send, they will be required to enter their PIN code. And when they do, 75 UGX will be deducted from their account and your account will be active. So that's how you activate your account. Now, after your account has been activated, you are going to go back to your account. Of course, it's going to look like this. Let's wait. It's going to look like this. It's going to have this word active. Now, this is what I want you to do. Once your account is activated, go and click on my account here. Okay? You see this last option. It says add agent. I want you to click on it. Very, very important. Now, this is a contract. Okay? You need to get this contract verified. This contract here. So, they say, thank you for your initiative to get your account verified. When your account is verified, you will have access to Cash Chat withdrawals and advertising agents platform. This is what I'm talking about. The advertising agents platform is where I want you to get access.